Stock market, mutual fund, Bitcoin, real estate. Totally confused where should you invest? In this video, I will talk about my top 5 reasons to invest in real estate properties. Hi, this is Mamta Sahota. I'm a realtor and I'm an investor as well. I specialize in pre-construction projects. I love to share my knowledge and expertise in real estate market. All the tips and suggestions I share in my videos are either based on my and my clients' experiences, and through these experiences and tips, we have made millions of dollars in real estate market. Make sure you subscribe to channel and hit the bell button because timing is everything in real estate. Before we move forward, here is a disclaimer that take these tips as starting point to guide you in real estate market, but I strongly recommend to work with experts, real estate professionals before you invest in any properties. If you're living in Ontario, Canada, or want to invest in this area, you can always contact me at my phone number, which is 647-532-3000. You can also check my website for hot projects, which is getmecondo.com. So you want to keep your full-time job or business and also want that your hard-earned money should work for you so that you can secure your future. My number one reason to invest in real estate properties is that it requires very low time commitment. Yes, I know investing in right city, right project is very important, which is time consuming. Also, then finding good tenants, keeping up with those tenants, maintenance, everything is time consuming. But if you are working with a good real estate professional, you will not need to spend too much time on these things and you can focus on more important things, which are your own job and business. The second and my favorite reason to invest in real estate properties that I can leverage my money. Let's say I want to invest in $100,000 worth of property. I don't need to put $100,000 to start investing. I can start with minimum 40% down payment to start and get into real estate investments. So 20% of that down payment is based on $100,000 property is $20,000. So I'm investing $20,000 to own a $100,000 property, and rest of the amount I will get the mortgage from the bank. So my initial investment is only $20,000, but now I'm the proud owner of $100,000 of property. That's not all. So just imagine in 1 year, if you're investing in the right markets, imagine if the appreciation in that market is about 10%, so the real value of your property would be $110,000, which is considered as 50% return on your initial investment. Remember, you initially invested only $20,000 and your gain within a year is $10,000. So it's 50% increase. My third important reason to invest in real estate properties is cash flow. By renting it out my property, I can pay off my mortgage, property taxes, maintenance. I can break even if I invest wisely in the market. So if you want to know more about it, how to invest wisely, how to find markets, I will leave a link in the description of this video which talks about steps how to pick a property and invest wisely. So by investing wisely, my rent will cover my mortgage, property taxes, maintenance, so break even, and sometimes I get positive cash flow as well. My next important reason to invest in real estate property is by adding the value in the property, and I believe real estate is the only one which gives me this opportunity. If I do little bit of repairs or little bit of more additions in my property, I can literally increase the value of my property. The fifth and the most important factor why I invest in real estate properties is that my properties are growing every year, but I don't have to pay huge taxes on those growth. For every expense or any kind of investment I'm making it on real estate property, every small and bigger expense I can write off in my taxes. So these are my 5 important reasons to invest in real estate properties. If you know any other reason, make sure you leave me a comment. Also leave me a comment if you want to discuss about your real estate needs. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. To get instant access to hot projects, you can always sign up to my website, which is getmecondo.com. Till then, happy investing.